In this video, I'm going to show you how to add K1 to H&R Block. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to, of course, start by going to the Federal tab over here inside the drop-down menu, and you want to go and complete the Your Info portion, okay? So you're going to basically have to go from beginning to the end of the Your Info part, basically provide your information like it is, make sure you double-check to actually have everything correctly, and when you do this, you'll be able to then come to the second part, which is income. Now, in here, first, it's going to ask you a few questions, answer those, and then after you do that, it's going to take you to either this screen over here, which will say your income is looking a little empty, or it's going to be this one, which is going to say how did you earn money last year, which likely is going to pop up first. Now, when you see that, scroll to the bottom, and here where it says can't find the form you need, it says search for a form. Simply type in K-1, and there we go. As you can see, you have a bunch of different ones here. Of course, select the one that's actually relevant to you. Just click on this plus add button over here, and you can click on go there. And as you can see, here it is. It says, for me, I've added this one in here. I can just go ahead and add one right here. And of course, it's going to show you the options you then have, okay? So that's basically how to add a K1. Again, you have multiple. Make sure you actually know what you are doing before you actually add the one that is relevant to you. So you could, of course, consult a tax advisor or something like that. And of course, get their help. I am not a financial expert over here. I'm just trying to show you how to actually find this inside your H&R Block. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.